How to download and install ProRealTime app on your Android or iOS. Hi everybody, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can get the ProRealTime mobile app installed on your smartphone so that you can make your life so much easier. First of all, launch open Google Play Store or App Store on your device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and then in the search bar type in ProRealTime. Soon after you do that, from the search result, find this application from ProRealTime and tap the Get button to start downloading the app. On your Android, you can tap on Install. If you are using iOS, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to start the download process. Once it is authenticized, you'll be able to download the application right away. Once the application is done downloading, tap on Open. And there you have the original ProRealTime application installed on your device. Now you'll be able to see this tab where you'll need to go to the top right and tap on the human icon, and from here you can go ahead and create a free account or log into an existing account of yours. So that is how you can easily get the ProRealTime app installed on your smartphone, whether you are looking for monitoring stocks, forex, or indices. You can always stay connected to the market anytime, anywhere. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.